to train this behavior with any dog, no matter how old they are. Starting with an 8-week-old puppy. Here I'm just getting my puppy confident with climbing up onto the place and off. So I'm using the word place when I want the puppy on the place and break when I'm releasing my puppy. Once I know my puppy understands the command and has had a few days to practice, we're ready for level 2. At this stage, I'm going to begin to ask my puppy from a further distance and require them to stay for a greater length of time. Also introducing corrections for behaviors I don't want. Here I'm giving tugs whenever the puppy gets off the place. Begin introducing having your dog stay on place while guests arrive. And finally, replace your verbal cue with the sound of the doorbell. Do this and I guarantee every guest that walks in your door will love your dog.